Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl looked busted up and tired. I really am tired, y'all. I got done with my hair. By the way, hair I was finally back blonde. Eyebrows are back blonde. You can check that in the last video. Yeah, I was up to just about 3 a.m. doing my hair. I was like, oh my god, I need to go to sleep. I had to place an order. I was just like, I'm tired. I was so happy to go to sleep. I woke up very refreshed though. I took my dog walking. I made me breakfast. I was like, it's a good morning. Let's do some makeup. It's only 10 a.m. right now, 10:30. So I was like, let's get back into it. I said that yesterday to my other video. It's like, I haven't done a makeup video in so long and I really want to. So we're going to be using the Meredith Duxbury palette today, and I really want to use like 3 colors in here. So yeah, let's have some fun today, guys. I got to get this together. Let's put some clothes on, get cute, because oh my god, it's been a while. I feel like it has been too long. And I'm not doing the wig today. I'm going to do my hair because I love that. I love my blonde hair. So yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to go and start my eyebrows while we chat. By the way, I used the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette. I had this kit for so long. I don't even know if they sell it anymore, but it's the really light color. When I had dark eyebrows, I was right here, and now I'm up here. Well, over here. Y'all, the 360 I'm about to do with this face, because it's amazing what makeup can do, especially when you look so tired, because I look tired. And I really want the, I did arch them about off, but I want like the thin brow look, so that's what I'm going for, okay? I want the thin brow look. That's another reason why I wanted them blonde. But yeah, I really just want a thin eyebrow, so when I do my concealer, y'all, this light is so bright. It's about the color of my skin. Okay, y'all, so I got through my eyebrows, and I wanted to zoom the camera in so I wasn't so far back. Oh yeah, these are nice. There's a lot of light in front of me, y'all. But I like how thin they are. There we go. I really did not want a little end piece, because I normally shave it off anyway, because mine grow back in so weird. Let's start with the color. I did do my concealer. I used the color Toffee LA Girl LA Pro Concealer. I used that on my lid because I only got the tan color. I need to get my fawn color is gone. So once again, let me show y'all the palette. I did do an unboxing of this beautiful palette, and it comes with the mirror. Y'all see my light. Y'all see me. Kind of now is my camera, but this is the palette, guys. I love this palette. It's so freaking pretty. So the colors I'm thinking about today, I kind of want to recreate her look, but now let me see. I do know we're doing pink under eye, okay? We're doing a pink under eye, and I want to do a mix of the Hudson, which is a blue, look like a baby blue, or kind of like a mid blue, and we're gonna be doing pinks and purples, okay? So on the base, I want blue, which might turn into purple when I put pink on it. This blue and this blue. We're gonna do that on the base. Interesting. It's interesting to have a like a blue base. I like it though. So I'm gonna start with the Hudson color. Oh, this color is so pretty. By the way, look at this. It's not this bright on like off camera, y'all. But I always be confused when I look back later. I'm like, oh, it is the normal color, but it's a pretty color. So yeah, let's just get into it. Oh yeah, that's pretty. This is so pigmented. I need to give her props with that, if she has anything to do with that. Murphy might just have just a good team. Let me put this closer to me. And then we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna blend it out, guys. Okay, y'all, so I found out that I want to change it. I'm gonna keep this blue, but I'm keeping all the colors. I'm just gonna blend with the Diamond Iceberg color, which is kind of like, it looked like a lilac blue. It's a cute blue though. Look at that. I'm gonna blend with that color rather than just the blue itself. Okay, y'all, so I'm in love with this freaking color. I'm changing it again. Rather than pink, I'm gonna do a dark, we're working with blues today, okay? So I think we're gonna do Endless Nights or Empire State or Concrete Jungle, because these are the grays and blacks, and the Endless Night is a blue. But I kind of want to do a dark color under here. I just think it'll look so good. I kind of don't want to do like bright colors, so I might not today, so I might not wear pink because I do have somewhere to go and I need to make sure it can go with everything. Well, I don't have to go with everything. I can find an outfit for this, but I really do. I just want to work. I kind of want to just work with blues today. The blue is just so. This blue is beautiful. Oh my god! I think I'm gonna keep this on my eye just like this. Like I mixed that lighter color on the outside, which is a really good contrast, and that baby blue is just so pretty. Oh my god! But I definitely think I'm gonna do. Pink would be cute though, man. The purple under here would have been, you know, we're doing the purple. We're gonna stick to it because the purple, I'm over here looking at it, I was like blue and purple, that just looks so good together. So, what are we doing now? Liner. Let's do eyeliner. I think I'm gonna do a good thick liner, and I also always love a palette that has a black because a lot, you know, it'd be a lot of palettes that don't have them, but that's because I put eyeshadow on my own liner after I'm done, which I have to be really careful not to get this on the blue. And I'm gonna pat that on after I'm done. So let's start the process. Okay, y'all, liner is done, but it's still drying, but it looked good. I really did some thick liner this time. It's giving me like 70s. You know, they wear bright colors with thick liners. Okay, since I know it's still dry, I'm gonna be really careful of moving, but it's about almost dried. We're going in with our foundation. I'm doing the Laura Mercier. I really like this foundation, y'all. That this is the viral foundation. I went to, oh, you want to know a funny story, y'all? When I went to go get it, I was asking her, and I did pick my own color. I was like, this actually, I tested it on my hand, and it was a perfect match. I was like, okay. So yeah, I went in, and I couldn't find it, and I went to Ulta. I asked her, I said, I'm looking for the Laura Mercier foundation. She was like, oh, are you talking about the trending foundation? On the viral foundation? I was like, yep. And it's funny that it's trending, and it was like a really big thing. Everybody was buying it. I was like, that's the one. This foundation is so soft. It really don't feel like none's on your face, and that's a really like important thing. It's nice. It don't feel heavy. Like when I put this on, it just feels so soft. I be double checking to make sure I'm actually putting it on my face. Let me go in with my concealer after this, guys. And I always tell people when they're looking for their foundation, you get your color. Foundation is not, well, if you have like dark circles like me, it's not going to cover everything. This do a good covering as like a foundation, but that's why you have concealer. So like, it's a thick pigment. Well, it's a thick, you know, it's a thick coverage. So that's why foundation and concealer is more effective with foundation. Me trying to sound smart, y'all. So I'm going in with my concealer. I'm going to do Toffee and Suede. 2 is better than 1 when I mix them together. That's why I like it. It gives them a good balance, y'all. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to mix those 2, and then we're just going to blend that out. And I got to figure out if I want to do pink or purple for the under eye, guys. Most likely it's going to be purple, though.
Years, the Small Businessman Association has been giving this award. Watch how I milk the surprise.
Okay, y'all, so I just got through with the concealer. See, it's already a big difference from the beginning. I told y'all I work miracles. It's amazing what you can fix. And it's just because, like, since I have darker circles, I really try to get some good thick concealer. So I'm gonna set my face. Bake it. I don't bake my face. I don't have time for that. I just don't want, it's already a lot of powder and liquid on my face. I just don't feel like doing all that extra stuff. It looks so good, though. And I like that you're starting to see the brows, yes. But I do pat that stuff under my eyes though, y'all. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna do the under eye right now. Since I don't want to mess this up by holding this, I hold my sponge under my eye. Now the color we're using, I think I'm gonna still do the pink. So I'm gonna go in with this purple right here under my eye. That one. I love just how subtle it is under the eye. I think I'm so gonna do a Halloween marathon in March. Since the month of March. I watch Halloween all the time, but I want to watch all of them back to back one night. I love Michael Myers in that movie. Let's go on and contour the outsides of our face. I just do the dark contour. Like I use my Ultimate, another Ultimate, my Ulta concealer. Not concealer, but, you know, contour. I can't wait. It's going to be looking even better once I set my hair and put my mousse on it and my Eco Gel on the edges and put my lip gloss or lipstick. I haven't been wearing lip gloss in a while though either. Get. Ooh, that's pretty. Well, I really wanted to go heavy on the blush today. I'm gonna do my mascara and stuff and set my face, lashes, lip gloss, and you guys will see the finished look at the end of the video. And this is the finished look, guys. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all. I love how this looks. Look at that. I love the eye, is so subtle, and the pink under is really light. That's what I like. The blue is so pretty, and then I use the light blue just to blend in. And with the lashes, of course, I have to add my little mole. That's my mole right here, y'all, but I really wanted one right there. I wish I had one over there, but I love how this look turned out. Let me zoom out a little more. Yes, this light is so tan. I tried to move the camera. I was like, I think it's just me. So the melanin, I'm not mad at it though. It look amazing. I put some mousse on my hair and my Eco Gel, and yeah, this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love how this look turned out. Now I really got to get back into doing some makeup because it's really, oh, let me zoom in on my eye for you guys. Look at this. Yes, that's a pretty color. So yeah, on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check this video. You could check the hair video out in the last video. Y'all got a lot going on today, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you people on the next video.